How to use the Hikaway. Open the package. Pop off the cap. Change the cap to the adult setting. Grab a 12-ounce glass. Fill the glass halfway with water. Insert the straw and start drinking immediately. Don't forget to remove the cap before placing it in the dishwasher. Hikaway also comes in different colors.